Is that your car?
It is.
I can tell. Colour coordinated.
I've not done it.
I've never had a customer that's colour coordinated his clothes with his car. You're the first. It's a beautiful colour.
It is, but I'm bored of that colour now.
You're bored of that colour? I've not seen a G-Wagon in this colour. I'm not going to lie to you. Have you, Dawood?
No, never.
So
no, it's a stunning colour, but it's time for a change, I think.
So what we're doing to it then? Tell us.
We're going to go for like a Lamborghini green, because summer's coming and I want it to be like a tropical colour and I want it to stand out. And I think a lot of people who have the G-Wagon, they have it in a dull colour.
Yep.
You know, matte black, it doesn't give it its justice. So
question is though, if we do it green, are you going to have a green tracksuit?
Possibly.
Is that a chance?
Possibly.
Jesse, you look for a nice luminous green tracksuit for him.
Yeah, I'll get on the hunt for it.
But green, I'm not sure about green. I've done a few green G-Wagons, but they've been like a satin finish. I've done an olive green one recently as well, for the richest kid in Leeds, if you haven't watched that vlog.
I watched it, yeah.
That luminous green. I'm not sure, I don't know.
It's going to be...
It likes to stand out all the time.
It's going to be different.
It's definitely going to be different.
And it's going to be...
So it's what is it, a 350?
A G350.
A G350, so you want us to do a facelift conversion on it?
Yeah.
And the full Barugzai body kit?
Yeah.
Is that your car as well?
It is. I know.
How come Jess is dressed in blue though?
Don't know.
So whose is what? So okay, hang on a minute. I can see Jess's. Of course, it's Jess's car with the number plate.
Yeah,
I can tell.
and I prefer this one. For long distance, the SVR is definitely the car for me.
So I can see you're quite loyal to blue.
Yeah.
So why are you transforming it to green?
Because we also like
He
green.
wants to get that one done green.
That one is going to follow.
Why? What's the reason?
Because...
Is it because you got green eyes?
Yeah, a bit of that
see,
as well.
There you go. Attention to detail.
Yeah.
You might have them coming with your captain, but I can see it.
So yeah, we're gonna give it a full makeover, and it's gonna be like a brand new car.
You know the makeover. I'm all up for the makeover, but you know the colour. I don't know. I can't get it in my head. It's luminous green. Are we taking it to Dubai afterwards? Los Angeles?
Maybe. LA,
Monaco?
LA. Yeah, maybe.
Dawood's been dealing with you. So
Yeah.
come over here, Dawood. Let me do. How's he been dealing with you anyway?
Very well.
Very well.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good because I want him to take over the vlogs.
Yeah.
Because I've told him, you know, all these big jobs that we get in here, they just throw them onto my head.
Yeah.
Rightly so, which is fine. And they just deal with all the smaller jobs. But the amount of tension that I get, do you know what I mean? I always say that after I've done this specific job, the ones that are upstairs, I want a holiday.
Yeah.
But I never even go on a holiday because I always get the next one thrown at me.
Yeah, I can imagine.
And I've been told that you've not even booked the car in, you're just dropping it on us.
Just turned up.
So you're just dropping a G-Wagon on us.
I know that you're very good at your job, you see, and I know you're going to pull it off. And it's my birthday on the 1st of August.
Oh my God, listen.
So no pressure.
Right, so this is our workshop. This is where all the magic happens.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's a lot of G-Wagons. Right, so this is the one that we just done most recently.
Yeah.
We actually did this a couple of years ago. But the customer bought the car back for a full respray.
Yeah.
And obviously it's got all the Barugzai body kit on, the full facelift conversion, and it's got the dancing lights on there. Beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice touch.
So you want the car to look like this,
But Lamborghini green.
like, oh God.
It's going to look insane.
Well, anyway, leave the car with us.
Yeah.
Right, and then, like I said, we're gonna try our best to kind of fit it in between the other jobs that we booked in as well, and then hopefully we can get it done before your birthday.
Don't forget, 1st of August is the birthday. It'd be nice to pick it up on that day or a bit before.
You can remind him.
We'll be ringing him.
Yeah, ring him. Yeah. But we'll try to get it done, and like I said to you, the paint job is obviously going to be quite a big job. We're going to do it inside out as well, so we're going to totally transform the colour. But I am still saying, leave the colour blue, it's nice.
Yeah.
I like the colour.
I like the colour, but it's out with
I will let you think about it anyway, but we'll wait till the end and see what we do. Let's get the car in the workshop. Yep. We'll just stare at it for a bit because we are too busy. And let's just crack on with it.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get it done for you on time on your birthday.
I know you'll get it done.
Right, Jess, leave it with us. Right, mate, I'm leaving it with you as well, mate. I'm off. the G-Wagon is all complete. What a mammoth task it's been. As you can tell by my hair, I've not had time to even cut my hair. My beard is overgrown as well. I've got eye bags. I've had sleepless nights over this conversion, but it's been well worth it. Ben and Jess are here now to collect their car, and they're looking extremely colourful as well, just like the car. But could this potentially be the brightest G-Wagon on the planet? Well, we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to see the reaction of Ben and Jess. Have I lived up to their expectations and give them what they want to their specification? Well, let's hope I have, because this has been a crazy and a mammoth task for my whole team. When I took the task on at the beginning, I was like, are you guys sure you want this colour? I mean, it was impossible. It's not even a car paint colour. It's an luminous fluorescent green. Never been done before. You've probably seen vinyl wraps in that, but this is actually a paint job, and it actually glows at night as well. So wait till the end till you see the final video of the car. But anyway, as you can see, I'm very excited to give this car back, and hopefully I can continue my other projects as well. But this has been one of my biggest projects till this day, and I've had a lot of projects. But anyway, let's waste no time, guys. This car is gonna shock everybody and probably blind everybody. So I need 2 sunglasses to do the reveal. Let's go meet Ben and Jess.
Yes, now.
Ben and Jess.
The wait
Guys.
is over.
Hi.
Listen, you probably you guys are bright, forget the car.
He's got a few more grey hairs here, hasn't he?
I've got a lot of grey hairs and a lot of eye bags.
Well.
And I've got these shades for you guys actually, because you
beautiful.
will be needing them when we do the reveal of the car. Okay?
Is it that bright?
Listen, talk about bright, mate. I think you've outdone the car.
We're going
You're
in,
looking good though.
we're in Manchester. We're going to show this thing off.
I said after this project I'm going
Holiday.
on holiday. I said that to you, didn't I?
You did.
Yeah, you did.
It's been a crazy conversion, and you guys chose the most awkward and most difficult colour to paint. But
Yeah.
is it the best colour for the car? That's the question. Have we chose the right colour? Have you made the right decision, Jess?
Yeah,
That's
I
the
think
question.
so.
I think so as well.
Do you think so?
Definitely.
Well, I hope so, because I'm telling you now, this has been one of the hardest paint jobs I've ever done.
Well, we'll just change it to orange if we don't like it.
We had to paint it a couple of times. We had to paint it a couple of
Did
times to
ya?
get it right.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's waste no time. I think I'll need some shades as well, I think,
Yeah.
to do the reveal on this car.
Let's
Let's
do
waste
it.
no time.
Let's do
and
it.
let's
I
do
can't
the
wait. I'm
big
not
reveal.
He's been like a kid at Christmas.
He's not slept.
Shut up about it.
What, you didn't sleep last night?
No.
I've not slept for 8 weeks.
I kept
Do you know-
turning
do you know-
over and he was awake, and I was
Yeah,
like, oh my god,
excited. Just can't believe it. Just can't believe it.
Well-
From watching all your videos at night and then having the opportunity to come here and get one of the biggest transformations you've ever done.
Yeah.
So we're blessed where we can't believe
Tested me.
it.
No, I appreciate that you obviously trusted me in doing this, and hopefully, anyway, let me show you the car first. Anyway,
Yeah,
because
I know.
I might be running around down the road. Anyway, guys, your car is behind the shutters.
No way.
Right.
Jesus. Are you messing? Wow.
What do you
I
think?
can't believe it.
That is insane.
I knew it. I told ya.
Look, you're even stopping all the traffic.
That's insane. Look at Johnny, come here. Look at the lights.
Oh, you're gonna see them at night, mate. We've done a night shoot on this as well, so wait till the end. But anyway, Jess, come on.
Oh, I can't talk. It's incredible.
Is that the green that we're
Yes,
looking for?
that is the level
Now,
of
to be
brightness
honest,
we
you
wanted.
thought we were crazy doing that colour.
To be honest with you, I thought you were
What?
nuts.
And what do you think
Trust
now?
me.
I think that's best.
You know what? You pulled it off.
I told you.
I give you that. Everybody
believe
said,
it.
"Are
Told
you
you.
guys mad?"
I told you, didn't I? And the wheels, I was umming and ahhing with those
Oh my
chunky
God.
wheels,
Oh, yeah,
what he
off-road,
said.
yeah.
But they look incredible.
Hey, Ben's mate, come on, Johnny. What do you think?
Well, it's the best thing I've ever seen.
Best thing you've ever
Unbelievable, yeah.
Incredible.
Unbelievable.
It's actually, it's
Just a neck
seen.
turner,
Is
isn't
the
it?
baby turning in the belly?
Yeah, swear to God.
There you go. Even the baby's excited.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It is unbelievable.
Well,
I knew you were good, but I didn't think you were this
That good.
That's good,
A
that.
lot of people say that about
That's
me.
I
incredible.
wonder what you'll give me for my next pushing present.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll bring
Um,
you another car.
A Rolls Royce Cullinan. Oh no, Urus. A Lamborghini Urus. That's the kit I'm working on
Get
next.
another job.
this is.
And that you've
I
just
cannot
turned.
believe that colour.
You've just turned a
All the
dream
ones I
into
showed you
reality.
on Instagram
Yeah.
are like nothing compared to that.
No, it's not. This is even brighter. And at night, it glows.
Does it?
Honestly, this car glows.
You
at
had the
night.
lights on
We've got,
underneath.
yeah, forget the lights, the paintwork, it actually glows. We've got the puddle lights underneath. Obviously, you wait to the end of the video, you'll see the night shoot that we did on it.
Yeah.
You've got underbody lights. You can change so many different colours. Just like your star lights in the car as well, I've got them. As well, so you can change all these different colours. Like you move it around. You got green, of course, and then you got red, blue, all colours in the rainbow, whatever you want, even more. Okay, so that's your underbody lights. And then inside, Jess, you want to get inside the car?
Yeah, the mine.
Right, okay, so we've got the star lights in there as well. You can't really appreciate them yet because it's quite bright. But at night, they're proper bling. I'm telling you.
God, I love it.
Yeah, it's just like grazing into the starlights. It's beautiful. Really nice. You can change them into different colours. You got all colours, whatever you can think of, you can dream of. You can change the colour of your choice. And yeah, we've got your little gift as well. We've got you USB charging. We've got the
Oh, fab.
yeah, we've got the
Extra long.
pink and
one,
we didn't have green, unfortunately.
No, that's
so you got
fine.
the USB
Pink for
cable
me.
for charging your phones in pink, not green, unfortunately. We've got a coffee cup as well, the new Barugzai. Pull that out, there you go, with the Barugzai branding.
Amazing.
Brilliant. And you got a
On my
Barugzai
school
cap. You can
runs.
wear that, or you can pass it to Ben because I know he likes wearing caps.
He does like wearing
And we've got
caps.
a gym bag for you as well. Once you've had the baby, and you can hit the gym
and
as well,
back at it.
and back at it. But anyway, that's inside the car. Let's go back
That's
outside and show you
incredible.
exactly what we've done to the car. Well, that's up to you if you're gonna gift him, but he's gifted you a G-Wagon, a bright green G-Wagon. I think the least you can do is give him a cap.
Like I said before, if you're going to get a G-Wagon, why not get it in such a beautiful colour like that and make it stand out even more?
Well,
You see a lot of them in dull colours and
Yeah.
it doesn't give it that wow.
It doesn't actually, but listen,
I
mate,
can't believe that.
You've definitely got to do this colour. I'll give you that. Do you know what I mean? Like, you pulled it off. But anyway, it's been a massive transformation, and you know, it's a relief to me and my team that we've pulled it off, especially the colour. And shall I go down the car and tell you what we've done?
Yeah.
Right, facelift conversion, front end, all been transformed to a 2022 spec. We started the car as well. Got the dancing lights on there. Got the Barugzai lower lip spoiler, which has been modified on there. Got all the grills in gloss black and all the trims. You got the bonnet scoop. Got the wider arches. Got the 23-inch Casanova alloy wheels on there. Got the gloss black, the side steps, and got the front and rear roof spoiler coming around back of the car. We've got the Barugzai rear diffuser with the 2022 rear bumper as well.
Yeah.
And obviously custom painted. We've got the Barugzai carbon fibre exhaust tips as well.
Yeah.
It's been transformed, and I'm glad, honestly, relieved I've got the colour right for you guys.
made a dream come true. It's incredible.
I appreciate
Thank you.
everything, and thank
We'll
you
be
for
back.
all
I'm
that.
sure. I'm sure.
Thank you for being patient as well.
Listen, we'll beat this on the next one. I've got big
I'm off.
plans.
No,
I've got big
that's
plans
it.
for now.
I can't do it anymore. I need to go for the haircut first and take the beating. Sigh of relief and obviously happiness as well. Another project done from coming out the doors of Enkahnz, all the team. Obviously put a lot of effort into this car as well to get this colour right, and I think we actually have pulled it off. Some would say it's too bright, some would say it's too loud for the G-Wagon, but I actually think it looks really well. And once it hits them roads in Manchester, I'm sure he's going to stop a lot of traffic and a lot of people. We've got so many other projects on the way, so stay tuned, guys. We've got some crazy vlogs as well, but the conversions we've got coming next are mind-blowing. Well, probably not as mind-blowing as this when it comes to the colour, but they are big mammoth conversions. So stay tuned, guys. Stay safe, and if you do have a G-Wagon, you want to customise it, transform it, be it an old one or a new one, we have all the body kits in stock, and we can do anything to your car. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Make sure you subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.